Affiliate marketing is a scam. It's a scam, it's a scam, it's a scam. And in this video, I'm going to break it down and teach you about how this whole scam operates, how it works from beginning to end. Stay tuned, stick with me. But first and foremost, you might be thinking, well, Infamous Joel, isn't your whole channel about affiliate marketing? Aren't you a quote unquote affiliate marketing guru? How can you say affiliate marketing is a scam? Aren't you shooting yourself in the foot? I'm not. I'm going to break it down in this video that there is an element of some scam stuff in the affiliate marketing world. I'm going to talk to you about how it works, how it operates, so that you're able to see it very clearly, okay? I'm the Infamous Joel, and your boss freaking hates me because I show you how to live a life of freedom, passion, and fulfillment. And if you're infamous too, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Now let's go. If it's your first time on this channel watching me spill the beans about how everything works, give you the true training and free stuff and everything about affiliate marketing, make sure you subscribe, okay? I do this on the regular. I tell you how all this stuff works. I've been doing this for almost 5 years now, which in the affiliate marketing world is like a fossil, okay? There's going to be minimal editing in this video. I'm not trying to be super fancy, like flames popping out of my head like a lot of these other gurus do and stuff like that. I'm not trying to impress you. What I'm trying to do instead is I'm trying to warn you about how a lot of this stuff works, okay? First and foremost, affiliate marketing in and of itself is legit, okay? It is legit. I get those questions all the time. Friends, family members, you're making all this money. Is that actually legit? Can I do it too? It's legit in and of itself. The whole act of going out and generating traffic, generating revenue for another business, another product, something that you don't own is as old as time. It goes back to like JCPenney horse and carriage times, okay? Affiliate marketing is not a brand new business model. It's been around forever, since before the internet, okay? One of the first companies to take advantage of it was Amazon when they were first starting off, and that's why they blew up so much. They used affiliates to get themselves traffic without having to advertise. Think about it, back in the 90s, for my old people, do you remember an Amazon commercial? Not very often, right? It was not a big thing. Instead, affiliates used to sell the crap out of Amazon products, okay? Now, that's also true for companies like ClickFunnels. They used affiliates to get their name really big. Now, that being said, affiliate marketing, again, is legit. Now, what am I talking about with this scam stuff? What do I mean by scam? Mainly what I see in the kind of scam realm of affiliate marketing is where it's in the make money online niche, unfortunately, right? I know that I'm in the make money online niche, but there's a key difference here, and something that made me lose sleep at night when I first started coaching other people, okay? And that's the whole phenomenon of selling a course just so that you can have other people sell your course. It happens way too often. About 90% of the affiliate marketing courses, coaching programs, basically the guru behind the course of the coaching program is teaching you how to sell the program. And that I take a huge issue with. I used to have an affiliate marketing program inside of my program, right? In the affiliate franchise, and the program that I sold before that, which was called Total Affiliate Domination. I used to sell another program before that, okay? But I took huge issue after a certain amount of time, after I was getting so many customers and clients and things like that, people I was helping, is they would almost always default to just selling my stuff. And I didn't like that. It would make me lose sleep at night. I didn't feel right. It felt very icky, right? I made a lot of my money in affiliate marketing by selling the most random things. Ask any guru out there if they can sell a random thing, okay? If they can. In fact, this past week inside of the affiliate franchise, I ran a case study about selling a diabetes product, in which I made my first sale within the first 4 hours, okay? But I'm just showing these over-the-shoulder things inside of the franchise so that people can see you can sell anything if you develop the skills of marketing. I sold car insurance offers, I sold pest control offers, I sold all kinds of weird offers throughout my whole stay here. I've made over $2 million online in revenue from affiliate marketing, okay? As you can see in the background, not to toot my own horn. Ask any guru if they can do that. They will not be able to do that, because most of the gurus out there started off and their origin is from Legendary Marketer. They're the big elephant in the room. They're a massive company, and I hope they don't shut me down or send me a cease and desist for saying this. It's just my opinion. Disclaimer, just my opinion. These are not facts, okay? My opinion and my opinion only. I'm allowed to say my opinion. In my opinion, what I see is a lot of the gurus started off with Legendary Marketer, and what a lot of times, if you really go through Legendary Marketer's products, are they teaching? For me, they're teaching a lot of selling Legendary Marketer's products. So It's almost like in that process, that person who went through their program didn't learn any real skills. They just learned how to sell the product, right? So when they go off and they start making their own courses and doing their own coaching program and things like that, they didn't really learn any real skills, any tangible skills to tell anybody else or teach anyone else how to do. Instead, they teach you to learn the same thing that they learned, which was selling a course, selling a coaching program, selling Legendary, okay? So I see a lot of these goons that kind of spun off of the Legendary world, started their own thing, and all they do is turn around and teach people how to do the Legendary marketing way, right? Which is buy the course to sell the course. They don't ever really teach you any skills. So now we've reached the breaking point in the affiliate marketing world where anyone and anyone, or I don't know what I'm saying, but you get what I'm saying, is buying these courses, becoming a seller of the course. It's gotten so bad that there's even this thing called MRR now, where legitimately it's just a course that you resell, for 100% profit. And again, that's fine and dandy. I can sell anything. The problem and the big key that's missing here is nobody's learning skills, ever. They're just falling for gimmicks. They're teaching gimmicks, they're selling gimmicks, they're reselling gimmicks as affiliates or as MRR people, and no one is actually teaching or learning skills. That's what we like to focus on in the affiliate franchise. Shameless plug, I know. But that's why we no longer have, for almost a year now, we haven't had an affiliate program, okay? I cut it off completely because I saw too many people in the program just reselling the program, and it was there as just a way to, give people something to sell if they weren't sure what their niche was going to be. But once I saw that kind of, I don't know, something about us human beings, we're very greedy and we always look for the easiest path to the thing that we want. So, okay, I'm just going to copy off Joel and what he's doing and I'm going to resell his program. I didn't want that. I didn't want the next person reselling and then reselling and then reselling and then reselling. Next thing you have is this basically a pyramid scheme. I don't want that. I've never wanted that. So instead, we teach people in the affiliate franchise to sell all kinds of bizarre niches and products. Like I said before, car insurance, weight loss stuff, like you name it. You come in with some kind of a passion, we'll show you how to sell it. We want real affiliate marketers. We want real affiliate marketers. And that's the scam part that I'm talking about. Not to mention that a lot of these big gurus who are making tens of millions of dollars off affiliate marketing, ask them to show you their income from affiliate marketing. Most of their income's 99% of it is coming from selling the course and having other people sell the course, right? So it's kind of like this self-fulfilling prophecy. They're so rich and they work so hard and they're telling you this is what you do to get rich and all this other stuff. This is what you do. You put your head down and you just post on Instagram and TikTok and go hard and every day and post and all this stuff. Meanwhile, they have a massive team that's doing all of their editing. That's basically, even if they do videos or anything at all, it takes them 5 seconds out of a day, and all this stuff is repurposing for them. They have a lot of resources. You as a beginner do not have those kinds of resources. So it's going to take you a massive amount of time, not to mention everyone else in the program is selling the program. So you immediately buy a program in which you're giving yourself competition, right? And this self-fulfilling prophecy that I'm talking about is the only reason they're rich is because they have thousands of people selling their program, right? They don't have to work. So they're going to tell you, hey, all of this is passive income. It's only passive for them. It's not passive for you at all. You're the one working your ass off. So it's all laughable to me. It's a big joke. And when I see it, I recognize it right away. But when you see it, I want you to recognize it right away too. Be very careful with this stuff. And the only reason I come out here and expose this stuff and I talk about my opinion and my opinion only, no cease and desist, please, is that I really love affiliate marketing. It has changed my life, as you can see in the background. I don't have a conventional job. I'm able to take care of family. I'm able to spend my time with my kids and just enjoy my life. And that's all I ever wanted. I didn't want to be this big guru Lamborghinis and stuff like that. It's just not for me. I want to give everything to my kids and family and things like that. So I love affiliate marketing. I love how it's changed my life, and I want to teach it so that I can help people change their lives. The problem is I run across people every single day who have been completely burnt. And I mean burnt by these other programs. It's so difficult. They're not transparent. The guru's getting super rich off other people's backs and labor. And it's just discouraging. And it's like, I try to tell people, no, it's not a scam. It's legit. It works. But then they get conflicted and they get confused and they think affiliate marketing is that. That's not affiliate marketing. That is sinister. There's something else underneath the surface with that stuff. They're trying to make you an employee, not an entrepreneur. There's nothing about that that's affiliate marketing, okay? I guess technically it is, okay, so that I can stay out of trouble, technically. But when you basically got a bunch of people buying your stuff just so they can resell your stuff, I just don't get it. I don't get how you can sleep at night with that kind of stuff. So me, I don't have an affiliate program. I sell all my own stuff. If you buy it, it did not come from an affiliate because we don't have them. We don't have them. That being said, I'm also an affiliate marketer. And on this channel, I talk to you about how different programs, different products, different niches that I've sold, how I've made money with them and all that good stuff. I show you how to make money with different niches, different products. And I'm an affiliate marketer still. Inside of the affiliate franchise, like I said, we do over-the-shoulder case studies of what I'm promoting now and how it's working and things like that, so you can learn from me. But I do not want this system of I'm not really teaching you anything. I'm just turning you into an employee. Don't even get me started on mindset. They turn people into like rah-rah, like cult members, like my guru said to do this. It's garbage, okay? I was in that world for a little bit myself. I hired a guru early in my career, and I know it. I know all the little tactics they use. I know that they make you feel guilty when you don't know what you're doing, and they tell you you're not working hard enough, and it's just a bunch of bullshit, okay? Don't listen to that. You're worth it. You deserve success. You know how to work hard. You just need the right guidance. You need the right people caring about you and your success, okay? I'm the infamous Joel, and I'm out.